Hi, my name is Kelly, and Renovating KC did two projects for us. They did some beautiful built-in shelves with a cabinet, as well as a laundry room shelf for us, countertop in the laundry room. The laundry room was just the washer and dryer, and I needed a place to fold my clothes. So they built a countertop and installed that. And then as far as the built-ins, it was just the plain wall next to the tile fireplace. And I like some place to display a few decorative items and wanted a cabinet for some storage. I chose Renovating KC for two reasons. One, they came highly recommended by our realty company. And secondly, they got back to me with great expediency. I contacted some other companies and I never heard back from them or didn't hear back from them in a timely manner. First off, I got a text right away from one of the owners when I inquired about the project, and he hooked me up with someone at the company named Danny. And Danny and I spoke on the phone. We FaceTimed since I was in Arizona and went over some design ideas that I had, and I sent some photos in. And it was a matter of weeks, and they were taking measurements and double checking everything, and they got started right away. And the subcontractors they used were great. They came and measured one more time just to be sure, which is always wonderful. And then they built everything, stained everything, brought everything in, attached everything, repainted, cleaned up. It was seamless. So if I sent Danny an email, by the end of that business day, I got an email back. Secondly, there were text messages, photos that were approved. It just was very seamless. Covered not only the floor, all the way coming in the home, they covered the porch, they covered the work area. I believe that one of the contractors even put some tarps down in the driveway when they were unloading things. I would have to say the shelves and the built-in cabinet in the great room, it just shows off a few decorative items, and they did such a beautiful job of matching the photos that I gave them for inspiration, as well as matching the current stain in our home perfectly. Just go for it. They're great. They have great communication. They have a great billing process. Everyone is professional and courteous and fun to work with. I would recommend Renovating KC.